Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to view multiple inboxes at once in Outlook 365 in 2026. Now, Outlook lets you keep several accounts open side by side so that you can manage all of your emails faster. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open Outlook in your web browser, or you can also launch your Outlook application on your desktop. Now, if you have added multiple accounts here, you will see each of your accounts listed with its own inbox, send items, and folders. You can anytime click on the drop down menu in order to expand or in order to subtract this particular section so that you could see the folders or the inboxes here in the right hand side. So in order to view the multiple inboxes together, you just have to simply click on the option of inbox under each section. Outlook will load them in the main reading area so that you can jump between them instantly by clicking their names in the folders list. If you want them to be opened at the same time, you just have to right click on the inbox of the second account, and then you just have to choose the option of open in a new window. Outlook will open that particular inbox separately in a new window showing you the inbox only. So you can place the windows side by side to view both of the inboxes at once. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.